How to reopen Instagram photos that you already viewed. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, if you click on the chat, you'll find view photo, and if you view it once, you won't be able to view it the second time. So in the message view once photo case, you won't be able to. But for the post, if you have liked one, you can click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on your activity. Then click on likes. And you'll find all the posts that you opened earlier, which you have liked in here. And this is how to reopen Instagram photos that you already viewed. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.